Okay, that was weird. Please don't hit me. It's important there too, so. Get that traffic light though.
Turn right, then turn right.
Why didn't you go? You could have gone into the intersection. Bro.
Maybe you always look back.
Hello? There's a sign right there saying you can't do that. I doubt that you were in the intersection when the light turned red.
I know I go back to
That's a stop sign there. Good lord, you're an idiot.
In 300 meters, turn right.
Is the Braden Mac Show. Join the conversation. Now radio.
Now, I don't have a story about my kids, but I did see this
That
video
person
on
rolled
YouTube
the right one red.
where the
Reward you with delivery credits of up to $6,000 on select Lexus models. The Lexus
What the
3-day
fuck is
event
wrong
only
with
runs
you?
from October 18th to 20th. Don't miss your...
That's a red light there.
Affordable 4x4 pickup, the Nissan Frontier SV, or get a 2018 Midnight Edition Frontier for only $34,995, or lease it from the equivalent of 0.3% APR with $29.95
Lord,
down
you're
for
an
24
idiot.
months. Conditions apply.
At BMO, we're welcoming new customers with $350.
Hurry, offer expires October 31st. Terms and conditions apply. Visit a BMO branch or BMO.com/welcome for
What
full
the
offer details.
fuck?
A slower pace to
Okay,
life.
that was
Green
weird.
space for the kids. Larger homes at lower prices. Double attached garage with Mattamy value pricing. Homes directly on the golf course start at $399.9. And right
I think
now,
the guy in front of me might have gotten cut off.
$30,000 on select lots and get half.
Cheese and breadcrumbs. Tender schnitzel. Papa, pounded, fresh, every day. Papa, Papa, they're good.
Oktoberfest at Ricky's with crispy.
Feeling pretty freaking free-tastic. Got PC
Oh
option
my
on
god,
points?
what a
Now's
fucking
the time
idiot
to
behind
spend
me.
it. And shop
Why,
at
and this
Drug
idiot
Mart
on
is
the corner
place.
there.
Now until Monday, October 15th. Spend your points and get up to a...
Nice blinker there.
1023.
Now radio.
What are you doing? Huh. That was interesting. That person there is way too close to the corner.
So we turn it up. Yeah, we turn it up.
Nice blinker there.
Ask you here. My
Nice blinker
husband
there,
and I
plumbing.
Call each other boobs. Not in the way that you. You know, if you have a wife, just refer to her one
Nice
time.
blinker again.
Turn right on Range Road 243.
Because it's such a good visual, and then you can see the look on her face.
Guy in front of me is riding the center line. What are you doing? You're on the wrong side now. Oh, you really need to learn to plan ahead up there.
These are the ones that I have to face. No band-aids for the growing pains.
Nice blinker up there. Zero fucks given.
In 300 meters,
Nice
turn
blinker
right on
too.
60 Avenue Northwest.
Personally, I would have waited if I were you. On. Oh, are you guys serious? You guys are fucking joking. That's a red light from the left there.
West.
This looks like a bit of a clusterfuck here.
Turn left on 107 Avenue Northwest.
That was too close again up there. Nice planning ahead there. Seriously, why can't you plan ahead? Congratulations, you're over the yellow line. You're signaling the wrong way, moron. That was a total clusterfuck. Right light runner from the right. stopping there. Oh no, he's gonna make a U-turn. Fucking idiot. What exactly are you doing there? You know that road's closed, right? I don't think negotiating with the construction guy is gonna magically open the road. What exactly are you doing? And you are parked on the wrong side there. There's that person there behind me. Wow, what a moron. I think that I'm on that little side road. Okay, everyone's just gonna blow right through the crosswalk, I guess. This is why people get killed in this city. You know it's 60 here, right? You fucking asshole.
So, you could win one of two $1,500 shopping sprees when you come look at these streetscapes. There's 14 chances to enter, one at each show home. And when you do,
nope,
you'll see
you're just gonna ignore the no left turn sign.
Streetscape homes. Come look at them already.
Buy this one.
Yeah.
Because I don't want to contribute to...
I swear
okay, you're going way too fast.
At least 20 different winners bags.
Now.
They have cats on there, bears on there.
No, I wouldn't find that. I don't think I'd find that cheesy.
There is something very sensual about a candle, like a burning.
Right on 58th Avenue Northwest.
AC station in the world played the snot out of this. It continues to play the snot out of this.
What year was this song?
Oh, what? 70s? Late 70s? 80s? 82.
No.
89.
89.
89.
Okay, you could plan ahead, you
Who's
know.
on now? You, the Now family.
I'd really like to know why you're so far over to the right.
And feeling pretty freaking free-tastic. Got PC
Oh
option
my
on
god,
points?
what a
Now's
fucking
the time
idiot
to
behind
spend
me.
them. And shop.
Imagine a place filled with objects that take you places. Where Ruth McCraig's teeth have something to say. Where encounters with Ice Age creatures are for real. Where shadow puppets reveal their dark past. Where a high beam breaking plow.
You are so stupid. All of you back there.